So we have tried to cover a lot many areas. I really appreciate this effort of PDU of engaging students of this prestigious institution, and I believe this is an honor to interact with you. I've been hearing good things. Ahmad has been telling me a great detail of your interactive sessions, and Osama Sahab again. As Osama Sahab also told you, these assemblies are actually very interesting places. They are always marred with certain criticisms. They are to be covered with certain set of rules, but they are always witnessing a certain amount of protests also. So it is a very difficult walk to walk.